Well, good morning everybody. I hope that you're all doing well today. Today's 86, 860 kilometers in, 140 to go, 14 more days, which means 2 more weeks. Well done to all of us for getting this far. And in these days, I can tell you, the excitement and joy rests in the cause. I'm doing this to raise money for the education and educational services of underprivileged children, and that's the goal. But I promise you, my body's tired and my legs are tired and my feet are tired, and so it takes a great unction of strength and mind, and just praying that God would give me joy as I run. And that leads me into today's devotion, which I spoke a little bit about yesterday, which was Jeremiah 29 verse 13. Then you'll seek me and find me when you seek me with all of your heart. In today's devotion, I'd like to mention from Psalm chapter 51 verse 12 to 17, but not the entire passage, just a certain section that says, restore to me the joy of your salvation. And then David goes on, then I will speak to rebels and so forth and so on. But just those words, restore to me the joy of your salvation. And I know that some of us can really find ourselves and get ourselves in a rut where we feel far from God or far from the Lord, and not wanting to really pray or have a quiet time or spend time at church or in fellowship with other believers. And so that's the prayer. That's a prayer. Is restore to me, Lord, the joy of your salvation. What does that look like? The joy of knowing that you're in control. The joy of knowing that you love us. The joy of knowing that other believers out there care, and when we're in a bad place, they're willing to bring a meal or help us with whatever it takes, or like this, support a cause. Restore to me, Lord, the joy of your salvation. And that today, everyone, my friends, is my challenge to you, is if you find yourself in a deep and dark and hurting place, say those words to the Lord and ask Him to restore the joy of His salvation in your lives. God bless you all and have a great day.